Bumisita sa Kapuso Network si Timor-Leste President Jose Ramos Horta. Narito ang report ni Paul Hernandez.
Journalist, freedom fighter, Nobel Peace Prize winner. Yan ang Pangulo ng Timor-Leste na si Dr. Jose Ramos Horta na bumisita sa GMA Network ngayong araw. Sinalubong siya at tinanggap ng mga opisyal ng GMA sa pangunguna ni GMA Network Incorporated Chairman and CEO Atty. Felipe L. Gozon.
We deeply admire your strong commitment not just to democracy but also to journalism. In GMA, we believe that the media are holders of public trust, which is so delicate and crucial for democracy and freedom to flourish in the country.
1996 nang igawad kay Ramos Horta at kay Bishop Carlos Bello ang Nobel Peace Prize dahil sa kanilang pagsisikap upang mapayapang kumalas ang Nooy East Timor mula sa Indonesia.
There is so much to learn from your experience in working for a just and peaceful solution to the conflict in East Timor.
Pinasalamatan ni President Ramos Horta ang pagkilalang ibinigay sa kanya ng GMA. Binigyang diin naman niya ang pagkakapareho ng Timor-Leste at Pilipinas, parehong katolikong bansa, parehong sinakop, lumaban at lumaya.
I have the greatest respect for Filipinos. Sometimes I joke with American and Chinese friends. They fight each other all the time. Who is going to rule the world? I say, well, while these people are fighting, one day we all wake up and the Filipinos are the one ruling the world. Filipinos are everywhere.
Naroon din sa pulong sina GMA EVP and Chief Financial Officer Felipe Yalong, Senior Vice President Annette Gozon Valdez, SVP and Head of GMA Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy Oliver Victor Amoroso, SVP and Head of Entertainment Group Lilibeth Razonable at VP and Head of Corporate Affairs and Communications Angel Javier Cruz. Tutulong naman daw ang GMA Network sa pagpapakalat ng tamang impormasyon tungkol sa Timor-Leste at sa kampanya nitong ipakilala ang pinakabatang demokrasya sa Asia.
In GMA, we have a tagline called Serbisyong Totoo or Genuine Service. This means you can count on us to provide information the public needs to know without spins, without bias.
Nakipagpulong naman si Ramos Horta kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa Malacanang ngayong araw.
With this visit, I hope President Marcos Jr. will visit Timor-Leste. Then we look at the before, during, and after his visit, how to upgrade the relationship.
Abangan ang one-on-one interview ni GMA Integrated News Pillar Vicky Morales kay Ramos Horta. Paul Hernandez, Balitang Southern Tagalog.